Now I'm going to show you how to make a frog pop-up card. For this you'll need a cardstock or just a heavy paper you can use, a pair of scissors, some accent pens, and a little bit of double stick tape or a dab of glue. This is going to be a quarter fold card, so we'll start by matching our corners exactly, and you want to hold those corners exactly together. Hold that, and then crease the center. Take the crease to the center, and then turn it and repeat over to the corners together. Hold firmly, and then crease the card like this. Now we're going to open it up and fold it the long way, like that. So first, to make the mouth of the frog, we're going to make a cut about 1.5 inches in. You can measure it if you like, or you can just guess. It's not particular that you be exactly 1.5 inches. You can make your frog any size you want. And then you're going to fold back the corner, open that out like this, and fold out the other side like so, and crease that well. Okay, so now you have what looks like this. And we're going to make one more cut. This is for the eye. And you'll cut on the top fold. You're going to cut in about 1/2 inch right from the middle of that folded area, headed towards the corner of the fold, and you just snip right like that. And then we're going to fold that back, just like we did with the other one, but it's a lot smaller. Okay. And this is what it should look like.